the Urban Cook. So what I'm going to do today is a Slimming World inspired pork and apple burger with some potato wedges. So for this we've got some pork mince, get the glare off of that, 5% fat. I've got a couple of apples, I'm going to use half an onion, got potatoes for the potato wedges, got a nice tomato. I've got some, these are wholemeal baps, Floret classic crispy, like lettuce and all that good stuff. Worcester sauce, some fat-free vinaigrette dressing, fry light oil, and some seasoning, and a couple of cloves of garlic. So what I'm going to do, get all this prepped up and see how we go. See you soon. So first of all, just going to cut these up into nice fat chips. Get them into a pan. A little bit of salt. And we put these on the heat for about, sort of like boil them to about 4 to 5 minutes. So get another bowl, put our pork mince in, garlic, decided to use all the onion. Get our apple. Just grate this down. Just get this, squeeze some of the water out of it. Or the apple juice rather. Put that in there. And we'll do the same with the other one. Two teaspoons of Worcester sauce. So that's 1, that's 2. Some flat leaf parsley. Just bunch this up. Get a glove on, give this a good mix up. All that in there. Bit of seasoning. Give this a good mix up. Nicely all together. and get the press out, make the burgers, and we'll see how many we get out of it. So, got 3 nice sized burgers out of that mince, and got a little bit for a taster. So we do that one as and when. Put these in the fridge to chill. So in this bowl, get a few salad leaves, get a nice big tomato, get tomatoes in there. These are for me. Get our vinaigrette dressing. It's fat free. Don't know if you can see that. Give this a nice glug over this. We let that sit. I'll just taste that actually. Oh, that's good. Okay, so we'll put that in the fridge till we're ready. And we'll be right back. Get the pan on, fry light, get our burger, and a little taster one, a little spray on top. Let them cook away. Okay, so there we go. We've got a Slimming World inspired apple and pork burger with chips. So obviously we've got chips, low calorie spray, pork mince, like 5% fat, apples, onion, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, chopped fresh parsley, and then we've got some salad leaves, sliced tomatoes with some fat-free vinaigrette in it as well, and wholemeal rolls. And it smells great. We've got our little taster burger here. That is very, very tasty indeed. So I'll definitely do these again. This is the first time I've done these. So yeah, give it a go. They're awesome. So very tasty indeed. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy guys, and I'll see you later. Cheers.